What is up, my amazing YouTube friends? Welcome back to the P4S Detailing Garage. I am so excited for this Yukon Denali XL detail, and I'm so excited you're here to join me on this because it's going to be sick. We have a ton of bugs on the front, some dust on the boot. Inside, we've got hard floor mats, leather seats, but there's definitely a ton of dust in there. This is a new vehicle to the customer, so we are going to treat it with the love that they absolutely deserve because that's what I do. Let's go to work. I love all types of detailing, but dirtier detailing is that much funner. And this wheel and tire combination, it's pretty dirty. And of course, fabric wheel wells. Cleaning those tires was absolutely sick. It was so much fun. Those fronts were really bad. We're gonna do the pre-wash. The boot is really dusty, and those bugs up front definitely need a little bit more love to be removed safely so we don't mar the paint. This pearlescent white paint is just by far one of my favorites. It's the prettiest paint that GMC makes for sure in almost any year, but this thing is riddled with contamination. I think the iron decon is gonna be pretty dope to watch here in just a bit. Pretty sure. Giggled as I was getting ready for the detail today because it has been so long since I've actually put on socks. I've been in flip-flops or no shoes. We did a little vacation and even going out in the trailer and stuff. I like a flip-flop. I like a sandal. I'm a sandal kind of guy. And sandals with socks is heresy, so don't do it. Let's go foam cannoning. used to do a panel at a time with this, what is it, 303's touchless, whatever, what was it? 303's touchless SiO2 sealant. But I detailed a bunch off camera and I found a better way. So I'm gonna use that way, which is just to spray it on the whole vehicle, go over it with one microfiber towel, then just get the rest of the drying with the other one. Exterior went amazing. I'm really, really impressed with how pretty I think this interior looks. The two-tone, not two-tone, but that brown color is just beautiful on the leather as well as the plastics. We've got aftermarket floor mats in here. I know for a fact this customer did not have the floor mats in there when they first purchased this vehicle because we talked about mats. Looks like they found a really good set. We are gonna remove those mats. The carpet, it's just gonna be a little bit dusty because I don't think they had it for too long before they got these awesome mats. So we'll get those out, pressure wash them, and then we'll move on to the next step of pretty much vacuuming. Here in the rear, I really detest this carpet. Vacuuming it is kind of hard. It just, all back of seat carpet is awful. So I'm actually gonna use the Tornador predominantly. We'll still vacuum a little bit, but we're gonna use the Tornador and just herd most of the dust to the front. Vacuuming was pretty sick. It was weird. The exhaust on my new vacuum kept getting hot and falling off. I really gotta get it permanently installed in there, but the vacuum still worked really well. I kind of like that wall-mounted vacuum. Thanks again, Mom and Dad. Let's extract these hidden mats. I didn't even know that they had any in here. We'll extract these, then we'll get the carpet extracted. Really gonna go quick. There was some dust, but most of that dust lifted up with the Tornador vacuum combination. Extracting is done. There's something in that cupboard that smells different than normal. Huh. We'll have to clean it out. Let's clean leather and plastic. We'll actually start with leather while the steam cleaner, I gotta get that out. That's why the cupboard's open. We'll get that out. We'll get it warming up. Just in case we need it on the plastics. Definitely need it in those vent louvers. And then we'll clean. We'll start with leather. We'll just do all the leather really quick. The leather's in pretty good shape. This Yukon is in pretty good shape. It was a good purchase. Leather went pretty good. Let's get this plastic. There is a ton of ingrained dust. I noticed the more time I've spent on the interior, there's quite a bit of work cut out for me. So let's just do it. This detail, like most, has been amazing. Plastics are all clean. This is really transforming quite nicely. We'll start over here on the driver's side. Yeah, we'll start on the driver's side, maybe with the steering wheel. We'll get this done. Let's protect. I would of course like to take some time to thank the customer. Thank you, epic customer, for letting me detail this Yukon. It was sick. Hope you like this video, and of course, I hope you love the results of the detail. Detailing is sick, you are sick, summer is sick, I don't know.